TNT. From my rock off to Tokyo Beach. Something, 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 something. Money and time. Whoa, oh gosh, I'm not going to sound so see. Whoa, yeah, what is this? Hey, don't shoot, don't shoot.
Hello.
Yeah,
Who is that?
Who's who?
The girl.
What girl, man?
Don't play the watch me, don't play the flute what they have to do there.
I want
Who
to-
is the girl? Where is the girl name?
There's a tongue on my face, I want you.
Yo, one next one. Who is the girl? Where the girl?
Yo.
What's your name?
Yo, I don't know what you're talking about, man. Come on, yo. Who's who?
The girl.
What girl? Yo, which girl? I don't know what you're talking about.
This girl.
How about that?
Who? Wait. Where this come from? Don't play stupid for me. You know very well what this is. What condom piece? Wait, buy this off with your teeth?
What?
Yeah?
Baby, I don't know what you're talking about condom. I don't...
Take it off.
Take off what?
Take off your pants.
For what?
Take it off.
Babe, you alright?
Take it off.
You're not scared or
I'm
something?
gonna take it off for you. You know exactly what you like talking about. You think me for a fool or what?
Baby, me did that sleep.
What sleep what?
You come back to me on my face.
You're full of tricks. You understand? Which girl?
Which girl?
Where's the girl name, boy? You
What
get
girl?
vexed
I
or
don't know
you-
which girl you're talking about.
Hey, whoops. Watch your tone. You understand? Who is the girl?
Baby, I know which girl you're talking about.
I doing laundry and washing your jaws and what kind of thing and finding these type of things and that.
Babe, what it?
Where this come from? I find that in your pants. What that doing there? What that doing it? Where's that?
Baby, you know about that?
What? Where's this?
It's a piece of a chocolate wrapper.
What chocolate? You
Baby,
understand? There is a condom wrapper.
Baby,
Magnum to suit. You understand? And what size? Take it off.
Baby, it's from...
Take it off.
Baby, it's from a Twix.
You cheating on me? You're cheating on me. You want to hold me?
It's from a Twix wrapper.
What Twix what?
Me did I eat some chocolate the other day and it's from a Twix wrapper.
It
baby.
ain't no Twix nothing. Where's the name of the girl?
Well, our name Twix.
What name is on a Twix? You understand? What Twix? What is Twix?
Yeah. You want to see the Twix?
What is Twix?
You want to see the Twix?
I really want to see this
yeah.
bastard Twix because what is Twix?
Yeah, y'all gonna say
But Twix.
Y'all gonna say sorry?
Who?
Yeah,
You will bring the Twix.
Yeah, alright.
But Twix.
Watch, y'all gonna say
Cheating
sorry.
on me and talking about Twix.
See this? Look. Twix.
I don't want to hear that too
She
much
named
about Twix.
Twix.
You get lucky this time. I don't care about that. You understand? You lie. You understand?
The evidence.
Whatever.
The evidence. You know,
So what?
You know, see the evidence.
Next time don't eat that. You understand? Eat something else. Conkles. Cheerios. No Twix.
So you know, gonna say sorry?
No.
Come back to me.
Sorry for what?
You come back to me and face when I try sleep.
Sorry. Sorry for what?
Twix.
But Twix, you taking me.